Welcome friends to my new Python series, that is Let's Do Python, and today we will see Jupyter Notebook, right? So let's see what is Jupyter Notebook. I have taken this description from the project Jupyter. Jupyter Notebook allows us to write a live code. It means it allows us to create a documentation that contains the live code, right? And we can put graphics and text also, and we can share this with. So this notebook allows us to write code with graphics and text. Plus, we don't need to rewrite the entire code, and we can test them at a time. So it will be very useful for faculty as well as student also. Faculty can create interactive textbooks that contain some explanation with graphics, right, and some text. So they can provide material in the form of material, and student can learn from this textbook. And it is also helpful for student also. They can use these textbooks for showing their classwork also, right? So now let's see how to download and how to install the Jupyter Notebook. So it is highly recommended that we use Anaconda distribution. You can directly download Jupyter Notebook and you can use it. Even you can use it online also, but it is recommended if you are new user, then download Anaconda distribution. And this Anaconda distribution also comes with the Python, Jupyter Notebook, and it also contains some library. Now let's download the Anaconda from this link. So you can search like this in Google, or you can follow the link and you will have the following page. As you can see, Anaconda distribution, the world's most powerful Python and R data science platform. Okay, you can click on download, and or you can scroll it down and you have the following versions. You can also switch between the platform. Here you have macOS, here you have Linux. So choose your platform and then just choose the setup type, that is 64-bit and 32-bit. Okay, just download this graphic installer and install it.